Circuit for forward and reverse characteristics. Here the tabular column and the nature of graph. Components are the breadboard, diode, resistance, voltmeter, regulated power supply and the ammeter. Connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. This is the final setup of the connection. Now let us learn how to take the readings. Change the RPS, keep 0.1 in the voltmeter, note down the current. Similarly, increase from 0.1 to 0.2. Now you just observe what is the change in the current. Similarly, 0.2 to 0.3. Now see, there is no change in the current from 0.1 to 0.3. Now when you are changing to 0.4, then there is a little bit change in the current. Similarly, increase it to 0.5, then also you are going to get the some current, that is 0.3. Now change to 0.5 to 0.6. Now there is a large increase in the current. You see here from 0.3 you are going to get 1.9. Similarly, here you see in the RPS we are increasing the voltage, but in the voltmeter it is not increasing, but current is increasing. Okay, that means after the 0.6 there is a change in the current, but voltage is not going to change much. There is a small difference in the voltage if you are increasing in the RPS, but the large change in the current. This you have to note down. So here just you note down whatever you increase the RPS, but whatever there is a change in the voltage, the same thing you have to write with respect to the current also. Just observe, there is a small change in the voltage but large change in the current. After completing this, you are going to draw the graph. After drawing the graph, find out the forward resistance. So now let us do the connection for the reverse bias. Just change the polarity of the diode and change the milliammeter to the microammeter and the voltmeter. Let us learn how to take the readings. Here it just you make RPS is equal to 1 volts, and then in the voltmeter also you are going to see the 1, then you see the current. Okay, here also you are going to get the 1 microammeter. Remember that in the reverse bias you change from milliammeter to the microammeter. Similarly, change to the 2, then you are going to see that the 2 voltage is appeared in the voltmeter. Okay, make it 2 by using the fine adjustment, and here you see in the micrometer there is change in the current. It is approximately equal to the 2. Similarly, the experiment is repeated for 3, 4, 5 up to 10. And next draw the graph for the same.